Cassini Connect, AVENTA.
Hey there, Trey Bishop here in Hilton Head. Just had the pleasure of completing a full day of surgery for the first time using the AVENTA microscopes. The AVENTA is a brand new prototype. The promise of that AVENTA, not only high quality graphics and heads-up display, but also linking to the Cassini unit. I've had the pleasure of working with J&J and Cassini and linking the Cassini to the catalyst for iris registration. It's made a tremendous difference in our ability to efficiently, effectively, and accurately treat astigmatism, both with LRIs and potentially toric, or especially toric lenses. It's just been a game changer for us. So when I heard that Cassini was talking to Surge Group and wanting to link up with the AVENTA, I was all ears. They asked me to try it, and I enthusiastically accepted, and I can't say how much I enjoyed the experience. You know, whenever you adopt new technology, there's always a little bit of a learning curve, but very first case out of the gates was so easy. The coaxial lighting of the AVENTA is a very soft light. It's extremely well tolerated by the patient. It's also very user-friendly from a surgeon perspective. Doesn't create a lot of glare. It gives an incredible red reflex, and you can be totally off axis and still have an amazing red reflex. Today was interesting in that I had quite a few very dense, very thick cataracts that would typically be very challenging from a viewing perspective. I couldn't even tell the difference between that and a milder cataract using the AVENTA. One in particular was super dense, and the AVENTA gave such a very nice red reflex. I could see all the details during the initial divide and conquer steps. No problem at all, and that was at 60% power. In my experience, you could probably drop it down to 10% power if you wanted to and still operate well. I do use the Ingenuity heads-up display currently with a very nice microscope. That setup has been very ergonomically beneficial for me, allowing me to be more rested throughout the day, not only from a physical standpoint, but also from an accommodation standpoint. The downside is occasionally with the current microscope, the viewing potential is somewhat limited in certain cases, especially with dense cataracts, deep set eyes. The AVENTA changed all of that. I mean, every single case was just crystal clear. Very, very impressive. I can't say enough. So, hope to have one day. Thank you.
Another revolutionary digital vision care experience by Cassini, the world in vision.